Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to propagate snake plant. This is a dwarf variety of snake plant. These are the pups, as you can see, and the big one is the mother plant. Remove the soil at the sides. Make sure that you do not break the roots of the plant, as if you break the roots, the plant will not grow properly. The pups are very strongly intact to the mother plant. Here I have removed one of the pup. See, it should be like this. The roots must be there for the plant. Now I am removing the second one. Now this mother plant, I will be repotting it. You can also grow this plant on the ground if you want lots of pups. Now I will be growing these pups in the soil. If you want, you can grow them in small containers. They look very nice. You have to water them once in a week. They do not require much maintenance and care. Even if you leave them just like that for more than 1 week, they will stay alive.